Hey guys! Welcome back to my channel. So lately, I have been posting a lot of vlogs and I haven't really shared so much. Yesterday, while I was doing my makeup, napanood ko yung video ni Janine Amanpola. I'll be linking it down in the description box below. Make sure to check it out kasi it spoke right to the core of my heart. It actually encouraged me to sit here and talk to you about this. When I started this channel, it was just purely about my makeup obsession and addiction na parang, sige, ma-justify yung pagbili ko ng makeup kasi i-review ko sa YouTube, yung ganon. Yun lang talaga yung purpose ko kung bakit ako nagsimula sa YouTube. And then later, nag-start na akong mag-share sa inyo. So I started sharing about my faith and that made me so happy. I remembered writing something in my journal before, asking God to help me make a difference in this community and maging a good influence sa inyo. Every time I share about something before too, pinagpipray ko talaga yun mga best na merong matulungan kahit isa sa inyo kasi masaya na si Lord noon, and kung masaya siya, masaya na rin ako. My channel started growing and I'm starting to feel the pressure to do what's in and to do videos that gets more views. Kasi sa YouTube mga best, ganun talaga, especially if katulad ko na YouTuber na hindi naman ganun kataas yung views, and kung gusto kong masali sa algorithm, I'm not sure mga best ha, kasi hindi din talaga ako nagbabasa masyado about algorithm. Ito lang yung mga naririnig ko. So kung example, grocery haul, yun yung in ngayon, diba? So dapat sabayan mo yun para makasali ka sa algorithm or something like that. I don't know, I cannot explain it to you kasi ako din bobo sa algorithm, hindi ko rin alam. Basta ang alam ko, sabayan mo lang yung uso, yung ganon. If you're a YouTuber, then I know you understand what I mean. Please don't get me wrong kasi I love doing grocery hauls, makeup reviews, especially makeup reviews mga best. Gustong gusto ko talaga yung pinahihirapan ko yung sarili ko na mag-review ako ng makeup, magte-test out ako ng makeup. Nagte-test out pa nga ako ng makeup sa inyo for 24 hours eh. Kasi sabi, diba, 24 hours yung claim. Di, iti-test ko siya ng 24 hours. Diba, ganun talaga ako. As in, I'm very dedicated when it comes to makeup reviews. Kasi love ko din yun. And gusto ko na mabigyan talaga kayo ng solid and sordid detail about the product. But I should really not forget the main purpose of this channel is to really inspire you or inspire women not to only feel beautiful on the outside, but most importantly, feel beautiful on the inside. Kasi yun talaga yung pinaka-importante sa lahat. I posted a photo or quote on Instagram. I'll just put it here sa screen. And na-post ko na yan before ko pa napanood yung video ni Janine. Kaya nung napanood ko talaga yung video niya, sabi ko, oh my gosh, yan talaga yung gusto ko. Yan talaga yung nilalaman ng puso ko. Yan yung desire ko. And gusto ko siyang i-share sa inyo. Be known for your kindness and grace, and that's what I want to be known for. I am not shading anyone. I'm gonna say it again kasi ayoko ng drama. I am not shading anyone. This is just about me, about my heart, about sa goal ko sa channel na to, about kung ano yung gusto ko talaga, yung desire ng puso ko. I wanna be known for my kindness and grace. I wanna be known as someone who has a beautiful heart. I wanna be known as a loving daughter, sister, friend. I wanna be known as someone who's helped you get through your depression and your negative mindset. I want to be known as someone who introduced Jesus to you and who really encouraged you. That's I want to be known for, than having been known as someone who has nice outfits, nice cars, a big house, etc. I hope you're not gonna take this in the wrong context kasi there's nothing wrong about having those things. Wala talagang mali doon. Yung fame, yung pera, yung lahat-lahat, walang mali doon mga best. Yung mali lang is kung yun yung top and number one priority mo in life. And I don't want that to be my top and number one priority in life talaga. Because when I die, hindi ko naman madadala yun lahat. Everything is just gonna poof. As what Janine said in her video, I don't want to live a selfish and all about me lifestyle. I want to help, inspire, and encourage people. I don't want to sound preachy, but to be honest, my life would be a disaster without God. I would be super lost, messed up, depressed, lonely, heartbroken, etc. Kung wala si God sa puso ko talaga. Tayo kasi mga best, meron talagang longing sa puso natin na only God can fill. Hindi yung husband natin, hindi yung wife natin, hindi yung best friend natin, hindi yung jowa natin. Only God can fill that longing in your heart. Even if you already have all the nice things in the world, hindi talaga yan makakasatisfy sa atin. I know a lot of people who has everything already but they're still not happy. Because yun, si God lang talaga yung makakapuno sa kulang natin sa puso natin. I think nasabi ko na lahat yung gusto kong sabihin sa inyo, and maraming salamat sa panonood sa video na to. gusto ko din tong ganito sometimes kasi you get to know me better. And gusto ko din kasi nasi-share din kayo sa baba, 'di ba? Pag mga ganitong video, and I get to know you as well. So that is it for this video. Please not forget to like and subscribe if you haven't already. And may your brow game be as strong as your coffee today. Love you. Bye.